Alrighties guys, Greeny here. Really quick one, as requested by a member. They just want to know how you can set different limit orders, set different take profits, and set different stop losses, because they obviously Blofin doesn't allow you to do it initially, unless you're setting different entries. Now, as you can see here, we are in currently two different trades. There's a lot going on Blofin's screen, so it is a little bit annoying. But as you can see, I might have to zoom out in a sec. But essentially what we're looking at is, this is my stop loss up here. Sorry, these red ones here are where I'm looking to short from, all the way up to about 56.8k level. Ideally, I might even set an order here at 57k as well, guys. I'll do that live with you now, over on the side. So 57, we'll go flat 57, and I'll allocate one position, and TP, my TP still remains the same, which I have set down here at a lower fib, but I think from memory it was 52. Yep, so down here at 52.5. There is a closer fib, which, let me just pull it up and double check what that level is. If we zoom in again, I was just doing some analysis on the weekly. So the closer fib is here. So if we do pump up to that level, I'll take it at 55,100. So I then come back to Blofin. Where's my tab? There it is. So 55,100. And then stop loss is the same. So 57,320 is the level that I'm watching. And there we go, bang, and that enters my latest entry up the top. So just to show you how it works, once you're in a trade, okay, you come over to the side, scroll over to the side, and it's here over on the side, okay? As you can see, there's two different tabs. There's an entire position, and that's obviously what you would set if you had your initial entry hit, okay? Or if you had multiple entries hit, you would have these basically at the same level. I always like to TP probably when I set a trade at probably the second level, and then stop loss obviously is very consistent. It never really changes, but obviously you have to cancel that. So if I want, like for Jupiter, let's just show you how that works. So I cancel all. It would be obviously that. I will then have no stop loss, or as you can see, no stop loss or no take profit there. So click the little plus button, you come over to the side and you click partial, and then you allocate using this slide here how much you want to allocate to a particular trade. So depending on how big the move is, I usually take profits at the first TP, usually around 30% all the way up to 50%, depending how much aggressive you want to be with your profit taking. So we might set 50%. Now just be reminded that that's 50% for your stop loss as well. So you will have to set another one after to make sure that your stop loss is 100% covered as well. But I'll show you how we do that very shortly. So if I do come back to the chat, and I just double check my levels for dupe because I cannot remember them off the top of my head. Here we go. So stop loss is at this level here. So I'll just copy that immediately, and take profit. I will go the second one. So I'll go up here at 1 point. No, I'll go the third one actually. So, oh no, I will go the second one because that would be that high there that we would like to see. So 1.12 would be my level. So I come here. Okay, so my first, well, actually, let's just do it properly. So the first TP would be at 0.962. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to allocate 25% of the trade at 0.962. Stop loss is 0.6235, and then I confirm, and that's 25% of the whole trade for both. Okay, so confirm. I only have a small amount in, as you can see, only $46 in that one. I'm hoping to DCA a little bit lower, but if we do come over to the side, you then have a partial position. As you can see, you currently have only 161 dupe allocated when I have more in the trade, obviously. So then you click add. It's the same stop loss, guys, so the stop loss doesn't change. You come to TP. I might be a bit more aggressive with this one and go to the third one, so 1.29. So 1.292, and I will go 50% there, okay? And as you can see, that's more. There's still 322 dupe, okay, allocated to that. So I click confirm. Okay, once I go into that, it's now going to show me 2. All right, and now I go to 3. And we'll do the top TP, which is obviously up here at the 1.83, but we'll go 1.483. Okay, so we'll go to the top. That's a bit bullish. 1.83. 1.83, and then stop loss there, and then I'll close 100% of the trade there as well. So as you can see, my risk to reward for that particular trade is obviously the lot. Now obviously it does show you here that it's going to allocate 644 dupe. However, these other partial orders are going to kick in before this one, obviously, because it's at the high. Obviously, if it does go to stop loss, then it would close the whole position as well. So that's the beauty of Blofin. This will obviously change if these other TPs do hit. So confirm, and as you can see now, I have 3 different partial positions, 1, 2, 3. Okay, setting different stop losses and profit limits for that dupe trade. Okay, so as you can see, we are currently in red for both these trades, but I'm being patient, guys. Okay, we're in a really indecisive point in time, and I do think that Bitcoin could tag all the way up to here. If we do see a close above this these 2 wicks here at 50 low 57s 57.2, that's when I do turn more bullish. Okay, so that's fine, but that's trading. Okay, we like to make sure that we enter some trades on some really good levels, so I might actually move that up to that little area there, and I might actually cancel that order as well personally here. But I hope that gives you insight into how to essentially change your take profits and your stop losses. And the same for my Bitcoin trade. As you can see here, I've got TPs down 52.5, 48, 44, okay, and 52 again on that one as well. But stop losses are all the same at 57.320. So yeah, I hope that gives you insight into how to change your take profit and your stop loss using Blofin.